Morning at Flying Horse Farms looks like your typical summer camp. The ropes course is quiet, teepees standing tall in the wilderness, awaiting a day filled with adventure. But the camp has a little more magic than most. The campers have just finished breakfast and are starting the morning with chants, songs, and dancing. It's hard to believe, but for many of these campers, this is the first time that they have been this free in a long time. You see, all of these children are living with a serious illness.
We do have every precaution in order to make sure that the kids are safe, but this is a time for kids to be kids, and that's what I absolutely love about it, is that we give these kids the opportunity to have an amazing week of summer and give them so many opportunities to enjoy themselves.
Each week, campers are dealing with a different illness that brings a new team of specialists, all volunteering their time.
And we've built equity with all of our 8 hospital partnerships here in Ohio and in Pittsburgh to say we can help the whole family feel respite and have that sense of trust to have relief again, but that we're also a place to say welcome home, camper.
And yes, we can heal the body physically with medications and surgeries and things like that, but the spirit part and the mind part needs to be healed as well, and I think that's the opportunity that we're giving here.
Campers immediately feel loved and encouraged.
And it was nice to feel like someone's there for you. There is no negativity here whatsoever, absolutely none. And everybody is just so welcoming.
No falling.
And even if you don't know anybody, you will leave with 3 more best friends. You can talk about doctor's visits, and they'll be like, oh yeah, like I've had that done, like I know how that feels.
It really taught me to get out of my shell and to not really care about what people think of me.
Just for them to have happiness and to be silly and to connect with kids, it's their self-esteem skyrockets.
Flying Horse Farms is a second home to me.
And you know, it's amazing. Yale did a study recently with kids who have gone to Flying Horse Farms or other serious fun camps, which is what the group of camps that Paul Newman founded is called. And they found that 79% of parents said they saw an increase in confidence in their kids, 77% saw an increase in self-esteem, and 80% saw just an increase in their kids to be more open in general. You know, they're willing to try things and also to talk about their illness in a new way. So just amazing things are being done there.
It's a life-changing camp.
Oh,
it
absolutely.
You may only be there for a week, but it really sticks with you.
Yeah.
That's wonderful to see.
And it's great to see these